Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by saving a quick backup. This prevents accidental loss. Next, switch to Page Break Preview so you can see blue and dashed lines that define pages. Once done, scan the sheet for manual breaks, solid blue lines, and the automatic dashed lines Excel adds based on margins and scaling. You'll work from left to right, top to bottom. That makes sure you remove the correct break without introducing new layout shifts. Keep the ribbon visible for immediate access to the page layout tools. You now remove the break. Click the row beneath a horizontal break or the column to the right of a vertical break. Selection location matters. Then go to Page Layout, choose Breaks, and pick Remove Page Break. Excel clears that manual divider immediately. If several manual breaks exist, use Breaks reset all page breaks to restore Excel's default pagination. Make sure to recheck Page Break Preview after each removal, because removing one break can shift others. That helps you confirm the sheet looks as intended. Finish by returning to normal view and then open Print Preview to verify how pages will print. This confirms your changes across the workbook. If content still splits, adjust margins or use scale to fit on the Page Layout tab, and consider manually moving remaining breaks where necessary. If things go wrong, inspect hidden rows or columns and whether a print area is set. Reset all page breaks solves most stubborn cases. Save the file when satisfied, and you're ready to print or share with consistent pagination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.